Kia ora whānau, nau mai hoki mai. Boom, boom. Nau mai hoki mai whānau ko te rātu. Te rātu, Kiiwaha, Māori, sayings and idioms, and colloquialism and slang. Ka pai whānau, and it's not a slagging match, so, but I know Miriama, she likes getting stuck into the Kiiwaha. She gives me heaps, don't you? Yeah. She loves those. She's excelling as a student, as a tauira tino pai. Nō reira whānau, tēnei rā, just something to think about. We're going to do 3 small Kiiwaha, 3 sayings, and maybe I won't tell you what they mean, because as you know, they're not literal, so let's just see if you can work out what they mean. And maybe I'll just say the first one, and might say it with a bit of oomph, and then we'll put some actions to it, and we'll let you tell us what it is. So our first Kiiwaha mo tēnei rā whānau, e nge, kōrero mai. Ka pai, and Miriam will say it with a bit of gusto.
E
nge, ka pai. One more?
E
nge, oh, ka pai. I don't know what that means, but yeah. I shouldn't have gone down the road with a bald tie. I got picked up and I got a ticket. Oh, cut it out. She loves telling me off. But that's our first one, whānau. So with Miriama's action, e nge. Try that whānau, tātou. E nge. Let's try it out on each other. E nge. One more for fun. E nge. Ka pai whānau. Mere, one for mere. E nge. Told you. Ka pai. Ka pai whānau, our second Kiiwaha. Have a bit of fun whānau. You can't be too serial. But the second one, tauwanike. Tauwanike. Yeah, tauwanike. What does that look like, Miriama?
Tauwanike.
Oh, she's good at these, eh, whānau? Ka pai anō, Miriama?
Tauwanike.
Tauwanike. Ka pai, I might try that out, Miriama. Tauwanike. Ka pai whānau. Tauwanike. Ka pai tātou. Tauwanike. Ka pai, Miriama? Ka pai. So our first one again, whānau. E nge. Tauwanike. Tauwanike. Ka pai aroha mai. And our last one, whānau, kei raro e putu ana. Kei raro e putu ana. We'll try that. Kei raro e putu ana. Kei raro e putu ana.
Kei raro e putu ana.
Ka pai, Miriama. Koutou, kei raro e putu ana. Tēnō pai. Kei raro e putu ana. What would that look like, Miriama?
Kei raro e putu ana.
Ka pai. Kei raro e putu ana. Can we do that one more time? It might have been a fluke.
It was.
Ka pai whānau. Titiro mai.
Kei raro e putu ana.
Ka pai. Kei raro e putu ana. We're going to leave that up to you guys. Have a bit of fun there. So just recapping 1, 2 and 3. E nge. Tauwanike. Tauwanike. Ka pai. And kei raro e putu ana.
Kei raro e putu ana.
Ka pai. Ka pai, Miriama. Ka pai, mere. Ka pai whānau. Mauri ora kia koutou. Catch you tomorrow for Kiianga keyword phrases and sentences. Mauri ora.